Here, student, today we are going to start our new chapter for NEET and JEE, Surface Chemistry. Before going to detailed study, some terminological word we have to clear first. Adsorption, absorption, adsorbent, and desorption and sorption. What is adsorption? Yes. When we take any solid substance, so some gas or liquid only adsorb on the surface. Concentration of gas or liquid only on the surface occurs, not inside the solid substance. This phenomenon is called adsorption. It means जब भी कोई पार्टिकल, कोई कण सब्सटेंस पर एड्सॉर्ब होता है उसे एड्सॉर्प्शन कहा जाता है. You can see here solid substance absorbing some gas or liquid, but only on the surface, not inside the solid. So that is called adsorption. Why adsorption occurs? Reason for that, when we take any solid substance, so inside a particle is surrounded by same particles. So due to similar attraction, so average force on this particle is become 0. Vectors value opposite and same, so it will be neutral. So energy of inner particle is very less, but particles are lying on the surface which are attracted by inside the particle or similar on the surface particle, but not same kind of particles are there on the surface, upward of the surface. So it experiences tension toward inside and on the surface. So energy is high of this particle. जो particle सरफेस पे है उसके ऊपर दोनों साइड से और इनसाइड अट्रैक्शन फोर्स अकर होता है. सो इसकी वजह से इसकी जो एनर्जी है वो ज़्यादा हाई होती है. इट इज़ वेरी हाई एनर्जी इज वेरी हाई ऑफ दैट पार्टिकल. सो ट्राई टू डिक्रीज. So adsorption occurs. This is the reason for adsorption. So try to. And this type of adsorption are two: physical adsorption and chemical. Whenever gas or liquid particle combines with a solid substance by van der Waals attraction, so which is called a physical adsorption. In short, abbreviated form is physisorption. Whenever particles are combining with a solid surface by real chemical bonds like ionic bond, covalent bond, coordinate covalent bond, hydrogen bond, so which is called chemical adsorption, otherwise chemisorption. Yes. Now solid substance which we take and adsorption occurs on its surface, that is called adsorbent. Here solid is our adsorbent and gas or liquid which are coming on the surface, which is called adsorbent. Understood? Now absorption. What is absorption? In the substance another substance are coming not only on surface but throughout in the substance. So that is called the absorption. जो भी कोई गैस और लिक्विड होता है वो not only absorb on the surface but inside the substance throughout. Similarly, I am giving you example. When we take a bowl of water and we are adding some green color, so what happens? Green color will be spread over the entire water. So that is the absorption. Only surface पे नहीं होता है but inside the solid, सब जगह पे एक साथ स्प्रेडिंग में हो जाता है, इसे एब्सॉर्प्शन बोलते हैं. ठीक है, एब्सॉर्प्शन विच इज कॉल्ड एब्सॉर्प्शन. नाउ sorption. What is sorption? When we take any substance, so particles are absorbing on the surface and including inside the substance also. On surface, on inside the substance of the adsorbent. Adsorbent na surface per and also on inside. That is called sorption. Yes. Now, if when we increase the temperature, otherwise decreasing pressure, so adsorbent will be released from the adsorbent. So that phenomenon is called desorption. Yes, sir. So now give me some example of adsorbent. Activated charcoal. Yes, example of a good adsorbent are activated charcoal, nickel, platinum, palladium, yes, silica gel, alumina, Al2O3 and starch, gelatin, starch. Gelatin are good adsorbent solid substance. It has a surface that is porous, easily absorbed some particles on the surface of it, which are good adsorbent. Understood? Now, difference between adsorption and absorption. By diagram, you can see adsorption means only on surface concentration high. Absorption means throughout the substance, everywhere it is absorbed inside the substance. Difference between adsorption and absorption. Concentration of adsorbent is high on the surface. Gas or liquid and come contact with the solid, so concentration occurs very high only at surface, not throughout the substance. What is absorption? Equally spread into medium, throughout, everywhere, inside, concentration remains same, not only surface. Initially, velocity of adsorption is high. Why? At initial stage, our surface is just porous, holes are vacant, So it will be fast. Then after it will be slow. It begins slow and equilibrium. Yes, all the holes on the surface are vacant, then it will be faster. Here it has same velocity up to end. From initial to end velocity same of spreading throughout the part. It is surface phenomenon. Yes. Actually absorption occurs only at surface, not inside. So which is called surface phenomenon. Spreading occurs in wall part, throughout the wall part. This is fast process and absorption is a slow process, slowly spread in entire medium, very slowly spread entire medium. Now adsorption is actually exothermic process. Many times question asked from this point you can see adsorption when occurs. So in the solid substance any gas comes to contact, so there will be bond occurs. If no any bond occurs, then van der Waals attraction is present, so very weak attraction. Otherwise chemical bond occurs. So during formation of the bond it releases heat. So adsorption process is exothermic. It releases heat. So value of delta H will be negative. Now if gas are coming on the surface, so entropy of the gas will be decreases. Before adsorption gas was free, particle was free, so randomness is high, entropy was high, but when it bound with the surface particle, so entropy decreases, so it is negative value. Adsorption is a spontaneous process. Itself મેળે થાય છે. So adsorption itself occurs. So delta G also negative. Many times asked, but total entropy will be increases. How? Suppose 1 mole is taken adsorbent and 0.1 mole adsorbate coming. So total number of mole is 1.1. So entropy total is decreasing of gas entropy during adsorption, but total entropy of the universe is increases. Now some examples we are going to discuss. When we take water, so when we take water on anhydrated calcium chloride, yes, not calcium, calcium chloride. Anhydrated means without water. So this one calcium chloride is the adsorbent. This one is adsorbent. So what occurs? Here absorption occurs. Absorption means in the calcium chloride particle of water will be absorbed throughout the solution. Yes, that is the absorption. What is sorption? We discussed. Sorption is phenomenon where particles first coming on the surface, then inside. So whenever both process occurs, it is called sorption. So water When comes contact with the anhydrated calcium chloride, absorption occurs. When water comes contact with the silica gel, there is adsorption occurs. Clear? Now ammonia. When we take ammonia gas, so in the water we are passing ammonia. So ammonia dissolves in throughout the water. So that is called the absorption. Ammonia into water occurs absorption. Yes. Then when we take a charcoal, coal, so here only adsorption occurs. On the surface of charcoal, ammonia experiences adsorption, but into water when we pass ammonia, so it experiences absorption. Now clear? Another example, water, ammonia, then after, when we take another example, is ink. Suppose ink. And when we take a chalk stick, whiteboard stick, blackboard stick, chalk stick, so water experiences inside the ink there is water. Water experiences absorption. Same on the chalk stick, ink particle experiences adsorption. Yes, absorption and adsorption. Yes, when we take methylene blue, solution of methylene blue, when we take a solution of methylene blue, and when we add charcoal into it, our solution became colorless due to adsorption. Methylene blue is a blue colored solution. When we add charcoal into it, so particle colorful of methylene blue will be absorbed over the surface and our solution became colorless. That is also a phenomenon of adsorption. Particles colorful will be absorbed over the surface of it. Next, magnesium reagent, which is blue in color. When we take and we are adding precipitate of magnesium hydroxide, which is white in color. It became blue due to adsorption. Yes, there is also magnesium reagent is blue in color. When we take solution of magnesium reagent and we are adding recipient of magnesium hydroxide which are white in color, so from this solution blue color particle will be absorbed over the surface of the magnesium. Yes. To remove yellow impurities from the sugar solution, to remove yellow impurities from sugar solution, we are adding charcoal. So yellow impurities will be removed due to adsorption. So these are the example of the adsorption. Yes, due to absorption we can remove some. Now some affecting factors we are going to discuss. Now some affecting factors on the adsorption. Nature of the adsorbent. Whether solid substance પર ગેસ કે લિક્વિડ એબ્સોર્બિંગ હોય છે એ સબસ્ટેન્સ એટલે એબ્સોર્બન્ટ એના નેચર ઉપર. For solid, adsorption is directly proportional with the surface area of the adsorbent. In Haber process, we are using catalyst as a ion. Instead of iron piece, we are using powder of iron. Why? Surface area is very huge, so absorption occurs more. So it is more convenient surface area. So we are taking powder of this solid, not solid substances in the reaction during adsorption. 1 gram coal and 1 gram powder, 1 gram piece of coal and 1 gram carbon, both having not same adsorption capacity. 1 gram coal has surface area less, but 1 gram powder of coal having more surface area. Adsorption occurs more. Yes. Then second, nature of the adsorbate. એટલે જે ગેસ છે એ એબ્સોર્બ થાય on the surface એ adsorbing. Adsorbing of gas is directly proportional with critical temperature. Critical temperature means at particular temperature from where? From above the temperature. It never liquefies, but below that temperature it easily liquefies. Suppose one liquid having 500 critical temperature, another is 300. It means 300 થી less છે એનું liquefaction થાય and 500 થી less ના. The critical temperature high having easily liquefies. So solid પર gas absorbing હોય એના કરતા liquid more absorbing હોય. The critical temperature of these some gases are given for 1 gram charcoal at 288 Kelvin. Hydrogen, nitrogen, methane, carbon dioxide, HCl, ammonia and SO2. Critical temperature of it 33 Kelvin, 126, 190, 304, 324, 40. You have to remember that high critical energy, critical temperature having gas easily liquefies and more adsorption occurs. Yes, value you can see. Critical temperature is very less of hydrogen, so only 4.7 milli on 1 gram charcoal adsorbed. Here 8. With increasing in critical temperature, adsorption occurs more. Effect of temperature. Yes. When adsorbent come contact with adsorbate and adsorbate, so phenomenon is called adsorption. and it will be liberated. So exothermic reaction. And due to Bloch-Settler principle, when we increase this reaction, so due to Bloch-Settler equation, our reaction moves in backward direction. So desorption occurs, adsorption decreases. But in the case of physical adsorption, with increasing in temperature, amount of adsorption gradually decreases. But in chemisoption, initially increases. Then after at high temperature it decreases. Why? For the making real chemical bond, activation energy is needed. Activation energy માટે high temperature જોઈએ. With temperature increase થાય તો chemical adsorption increase થાય. But then after high temperature થઈ જાય, the bond break થાય એટલે desorption થઈ જાય. Remember this graph. Yes, sir. In the starting of the development of chemistry, solution was classified into two parts: crystalloids and colloids. Solution, before many years ago, solution was classified into crystalloids and colloids. When we take membranes, membranes means cellophane paper, parchment paper, yes, ball of animal, so which allows to pass only molecule of water and tiny particles of electrolyte, but which not allows to colloidal particle. Yes, so divided into two parts. But this was wrong. Why? When we take NaCl and when we dissolve into water, so it gives a real solution, aqueous solution of NaCl. But NaCl, when we dissolve into benzene, it gives a colloidal solution. Yes, like this. Another example is soap. Yes, soap. When we dissolve into water, gives it CNC. And craft temperature, colloidal solution gives into water, but that soap in alcohol gives a real solution, not colloidal particles. So this classification was wrong. Crystalloids means real solution and colloidal, but NaCl makes the real solution with water. In benzene, colloidal. Here you can see our dispersion medium is changed, then our classification is changed on the basis of size. On the basis of size of the particles of the dispersed phase. Solution is classified into three parts: real solution, then colloidal solution, and suspension. Yes. So solution is a mixture. So our solution we are classifying into three class in modern time. એટલે પાર્ટિકલ્સ છે એની સાઇઝને આધારે રિયલ, કોલોઇડલ એન્ડ સસ્પેન્શન. We will discuss about it in detail in next lecture. Till then, bye.